Hey guys, Rob Robillard from ConcordCarpenter.com, and on our projects we always install a positive sloping pan system. And what I mean by that is it's a rubberized system, but it's also a positive a back dam that stops the water from getting into the wall system and actually drains it out to the outer plane, of the house. 95% of all building envelopes that fail, a lot of times they're failing because of windows and doors that are leaking over the course of time, causing thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars. So a lot of guys will install a rubber membrane on their windowsills, but what they don't do is they don't install a back dam or a sloping positive drainage dam to get the water to slope back out and get out of the building. So we use what's called EZEE DAM. It's really easy to install. You can buy it in bulk like we do, or you can get it in kits. It's about $35 per window. That's the cost it breaks down to. It comes with 2 sloped corner pieces that go into the side jams, and then it comes with some longer stock. It's all PVC. You can nail this with roofing nails, trim nails, and you install this on the inside of the windowsill, and then you use your rubberized flashing. We use zip system stretch tape. And the reason why I like to use this is we don't have to worry about the butterflies in the corners. One piece seals the whole pan. And look, this is best practice. It's outstanding performance for years and years and years of your life of your window. You don't want any callbacks on this stuff. You want your windows to be able to withstand wind-driven rain, air and leak, air and water infiltration. And if it does get in, you want it to get out. So the thing we like about this EZEE DAM system, super easy to install. It's cost effective, 35 bucks per window, roughly it breaks down to. You can use this to contribute to your LEED credits. It creates a thermal break between the window and the door pan. And so you can insulate on the inside here, and this is your door pan area. Super easy, and look, it works with all types of self-adhering tape. We just happen to use this. We're going to be installing some Pella windows here, and once the windows are installed, we'll use Pella tape to lock in the window once it's installed. I'm Rob Robillard. Talk to you next time. Take care.